Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-Cross Life 1.0 TSI M5F with 95 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. This efficient and stylish 5-door vehicle is perfect for all your adventures. Packed with amazing features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth and more, this car offers comfort and convenience like no other. With top-notch safety features including ABS, airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. In addition, this vehicle comes with a stop and start system, roof rails, a powertrain warranty, and so much more. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit our website at michaelmoore.ie for more information on how you can drive away in your dream car today.